December night, round sometime in mid-July. Headlights in the field, they were burning bright. Heard the band playing loud, saw her dancing in the crowd, and I prayed to God for one more song. Yeah, she called me by surprise, grabbed my hand and moved just right. Now I'm lip-locked in love just for tonight. Yippee-ki-yay, my black Chevette, C71 on a bale of hay. Damn, you look good on my tailgate, driving my blues away. Long tan legs and the cowboy boots, sipping on shine and the Daisy Dukes. Take me for a ride on the way you move, driving my blues away. Hey, 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 my blues away. Yeah, she was riding shotgun, headed back to the party cause we weren't done. One more, just a nightcap, cause she liked that, and I might have to go round two with you. Two more shots, and I'm right back in the back of the Chevy, hot and heavy, where she wanna be. We left the party once again, twice a hurry, 3 o'clock in the morning, let's get going, coming on with me. Girl, let's head out up in my truck, and just before we leave, yippee-ki-yay, my black Chevette,